Wait. Now you can say next. Now wait. Just window installation is processing. Now you can say install now. Click on it. Now setup is starting. It takes little times. So now accept the license term. Accept the license term. Then we can say next. Then here we have two options, the upgrade and custom. So you have to select the custom one. Then the first 50 megabytes per share we can install on this disk. Look here, 465 GB total size and 400. So it may, when we subtract, it may more than 20 GB. So we can install on disk 0 partition 2 465 and 404. Okay, so select and delete. Then this partition, it may contain important files, no problem. You can say here okay. Now it may not install on this. Now click on the second part. Then you can say now next. Now installation start. Installation window status. Getting file ready for instructions. It starts 0%. Now 1%. Continue up to all installation feature and installation update is finishing up. So we have to wait. Now 2%, 3%, 4%. አረ ድምፅ አታስገቡብኝ እየቀረጽኩ ነው። ኦኬ Now wait, we have left only finishing up. Now after 5 or 6 seconds the computer or the window will start. Now wait, now starting. Now window is starting. As you can see, now window is starting. Look, starting service. Now getting devices ready 75%. Now it goes up to 100%. Now now look 100%. Look. Now getting ready. Now window is ready. Now look just a moment. Now things is already finished. We have left some process only. Now we can say next. As you can see here, you can say next. Again just a moment. Now is this the right keyword? We can use also US, which is the standard. Then we can say next. Now 1 to 2 second keyword, we can say skip. Skip. Now again wait. Now I don't have internet connection. We can say I don't have internet connection. Click on it. Then continue with limited setup. Click on continue with limited setup. Now again just a moment. Now we can enter a password. ASHH. Sorry, this is username. Username, you can say PC. PC. Now you can say next. You can say here next. Click on next. Then password. You can give any password. ASHH. Now you can say again next. Click on next. Then confirm the password. Repeat the password we have entered in the previous AS. Now you can say next. Now here is some question with the standard. Then you can select. Then you write something. Then next. Again select. Then you can say something here. Then again you can say next. The last question you can select, for instance, what was your first PT name? You can say what you want. Then you can say next. Now again just a moment. Now you can off those things in order to prevent yourself from any cyber attack. Then you can say accept. Click on accept. Look here, accept. Then you can say click on accept. Again, change the movement. Then what it says, not now. You can say not now. Again, just the movement. Now things is ready. Now this might take several minutes. Then wait. It was done. Now work is done. Look, work is done.